Now what if I told you that I created all of that using AI? Now all of you AI haters, before commenting this is another AI crap, just hear me out. This video is mainly for people who really want to dive into AI filmmaking. So I've been lucky enough to partner with FlexClip. It's like an all-in-one AI platform. So let me show you what all it can do. Suppose you have a boring PPT which you want to present, and you need to set in that animation and everything. But with this tool, all you need to do is just upload your PPT and it will automatically create a video explaining everything that you mentioned in the slide.
A key component of our system is the Steady State Visual Evoked Potential, or SSVP.
And it'll be easy to present, and this is mainly for students and also professors who want a more engaging presentation. You can also create AI product ads, which I showed you in the beginning of the video. All I did was I uploaded an image of iPhone 17 Pro, and I didn't even have to enter the prompt because there are a lot of built-in templates, and you just have to pick one and just upload the product that you want to showcase and the video is ready. It also supports Seedance 2.0, so it really has that realistic look. And as I mentioned, it's like an all-in-one AI website, so it has everything like text to video, image to video, and many other settings. And the image models, it's not just Seedance, you have Google Nano Banana Pro, Kling AI, and many more. So this means that you don't need a professional computer to make professional content. All you need is just the right AI tools. So if you want to make content using AI, you don't have to invest on different AI website. All you can do is just invest on this, and it has all AI options. Now if you want to check out FlexClip, you can click the link in the description. Now this is not a sponsored video in any way. FlexClip reached out to me, to try out their features and everything, and I tried myself. I've been trying it out for like 1 week now, which is why I wanted to make this video, because it's really useful. And for those people who are really trying to invest on a good AI platform, this is the right pick. So once again, check out FlexClip on the link in my description. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. For those who don't know, I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and as always, I'll see you all in the next one.